best portable saunas. I recently dove into the world of portable saunas, testing 5 different models so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Trust me, I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right product. I'll share my experiences, the pros and cons of each sauna, and help you make an informed decision. Let's get into it.
Product number 1. Upgraded portable sauna for home. The first sauna I tested was the upgraded portable sauna by XVCAC. As soon as I set it up, I was struck by its spacious design. 31.5 by 31.5 by 70.9 inches allowed me to sit comfortably, and I could even stand if I wanted to stretch. The 15.57-pound weight made it easy to move around my apartment. I was particularly impressed by the high-power steamer that heated up quickly, generating steam in no time. With a remote control feature, I could adjust the temperature and time without even stepping out of the sauna. It felt like a luxury spa right in my living room. One of the standout features was the safety measures in place, dry burning and leakage functions that gave me peace of mind. The oversized steam room also had a pocket for my phone, which was handy, and the zippered transparent window let me poke my head out whenever I needed a breath of fresh air.
Product number 2. 2-person sauna by XVCAC. Next up, I tried the 2-person sauna from XVCAC, which is great for couples or friends who want to enjoy a sauna session together. Measuring 71 inches by 49 inches by 36 inches, this sauna tent can comfortably fit 2 people. Setting it up took a mere 5 minutes, and I was already envisioning cozy sauna nights with my partner. The dual steamers were impressive. They heated up quickly and created a warm environment almost instantly. I appreciated the thoughtful design, including interior pockets for our phones and a transparent window that allowed us to stay connected while enjoying the steam. Plus, the dual pull zipper made it easy to get in and out. Product number 3. Portable infrared sauna box. The third sauna I took for a spin was the portable infrared sauna box by Norishia. From the get-go, its sleek design caught my eye. This sauna is equipped with advanced red light therapy, which is said to enhance skin care and promote faster recovery. I was intrigued to see how effective this would be during my sessions. Setting it up was a breeze, taking me only about 10 minutes. The spacious interior, 32 by 31.98 by 71 inches, provided ample room for me to sit comfortably. The 1200-watt steamer heated up in just 5 minutes, and I was amazed at how quickly the steam filled the tent. With 9 adjustable heating levels, I could tailor my experience, whether I wanted a light steam or a more intense session. Product number 4. Steam Sauna Tent for Home. Testing the Steam Sauna Tent for Home by RRGFB was an experience in itself. The first thing I noticed was the transparent door, which felt like a game changer. It brightened up the inside and made the sauna feel less claustrophobic, which can be an issue for some. I set it up in my living room, and the 70 by 31 by 31 inch dimensions made it fit perfectly. The powerful steam heating system was quite impressive. It warmed up in a flash, allowing me to dive right into relaxation mode. I could sit naturally and stretch out comfortably, which was a huge plus for longer sessions. The materials felt durable, and I appreciated the safety features that made it suitable for daily use.
Product number 5. Serene Life Portable Sauna Box. Finally, I wrapped up my testing with the Serene Life Portable Sauna Box. Measuring 2.9 feet by 2.9 feet by 5.9 feet, it's compact yet spacious enough for a comfortable experience. When I unboxed it, I was impressed with the rapid heating feature thanks to the 1600-watt steamer. It heated up to a maximum temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for those looking to detox and relax after a long day. The remote control feature was a game changer. I could lounge comfortably inside while adjusting the heat level without any hassle. I was able to enjoy my steam sessions for a solid hour, and the effects were undeniably refreshing. The sauna also included a folding chair, which was surprisingly comfy, and the double pull zipper made entering and exiting a breeze. In conclusion, each of these portable saunas has its unique strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs. Whether you're after a solo retreat or a shared experience, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that aligns with your lifestyle and enjoy your journey towards relaxation and wellness.